Greetings everyone. I welcome you all in the third module. Up to now we have discussed about what are fundamental rights and six fundamental rights, out of which one right to equality we have already discussed. Now let's discuss second fundamental right, right to freedom. What does it mean? What does freedom mean? Freedom means no foundation, absence of restrictions. According to this right, our constitution has given six type of freedoms. That is why this right is also known as cluster of freedoms. First freedom, as a citizen we have given that freedom of speech and expression. This right enable everyone or an individual to participate in public activities. He or she has the right, he or she has the freedom to express his views, to give his speech. Second, freedom to assemble peacefully without harm. Under this freedom, every citizen of India, they can assemble peacefully anywhere, but without arms, without weapons, which can harm the state. So in that condition, the state can impose reasonable restrictions in the interest of public to maintain law and order and sovereignty of country. Third freedom is to form association or union. Every citizen can form union or association. State can impose restriction on this freedom only in the interest of public order, morality, and the sovereignty and integrity. The next freedom is, as a citizen of India, we have the freedom to move freely throughout the boundary of our country. We can move anywhere in our country without any foundation, without any restriction. But again, state can impose reasonable restriction to maintain law and order and for the interest of the public. This fundamental right can also be abolished under some special circumstances when there is a question of public interest, when there is a question of security of the nation. Next is freedom to reside and settle in any part of territory of India. It means every citizen can live, can settle their life within the Indian territory anywhere. But again, for the sake of public interest, government can impose restriction on this freedom also. The last one freedom is freedom to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. Any citizen can adopt any profession, can carry out any occupation, can start any trade or business without any foundation. But for the sake of public interest, again state can impose reasonable restriction. Thank you.